What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. 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 Don't keep up with the Joneses.
Okay, you guys, so I have extra time and extra batter while I let these cupcakes bake. And I don't know if you've heard of that cupcake in a mug situation, but I said to myself, I have a mug, I have batter, I have a microwave. Why not? Let's try it out. So I'm going to start off with a little bit of vanilla. And then I'm going to switch to the strawberry. Now, admittedly, I don't know how much I'm supposed to fill this mug. I don't know if I'm supposed to spray this mug with some oil, but it's too late for these questions now because after I just topped it off with vanilla, I'm gonna put it in the microwave for, I'm between 3 and 5 minutes. I don't know which one I should do. I don't want to overcook it, but I don't want to undercook it. Let's go for 4 minutes because that's in between 3 and 5. All right, so in 4 minutes, we'll be back to see what that's about to be like. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit hopeful, so we'll see, you guys. We shall see. Okay, you guys, so.
Hi, Mommy.
That's my baby in the background. Oh, shoot. Woo. Hold on. Wow. So, this doesn't look like a success. Oh, it's so spongy. Okay. You know what? I have another mug and more cake batter, so let's try again. I think I just put too much. So I'm gonna try this again. And this time, since I'm thinking about it, why not we spray the mug? All right. And we're only going to do like half. I kind of filled it up all the way last time. Let's do like half. Or I'm gonna say even a little less than half. Nah, that's probably half. So I did half this time. Based on this consistency, I think it's good. Like, I'm gonna do 4 minutes again. So into the microwave, 4 minutes, round 2. All right, you guys, so let's try this again. Already, oh no. It smells like really bad, like burnt. Something did not go right with this. Oh my gosh, it's like, that's gross. I don't know what's happening with that. Yeah. Should we try again?
Yes.
Yes, we should. All right. So this was too much. This was obviously too little for the amount of time. Let's do a little bit more. Let me get another mug. I don't know if the spray helped or hurt. I think we'll spray it again, just for, you know. Spray it again. We will dual flavor again. A little bit of vanilla. I think the time was the issue with that one. The 4 minutes was too long. Little bit of strawberry. I think I want to do a little more than half. Hold on. running out of batter. This is our last opportunity to get this right, you guys. The final countdown. All right. So there we go. And now we will try for the last time. And we will do 3.5 minutes. We're hoping for the best, you guys. Hope for the best. All right, you guys, round 3. This one already at least doesn't smell like it's burned. So that is progress.
I am Mommy.
Hey, hey, Mr. Handsome. Say hi to everybody. Hi, Lavada. So, texture. Oh my gosh, like this is hard. This burned one is like super hard, you guys. Ow, it's hot too. So this is very hard. This is awful. This is still a little moist. It's definitely, it's like a sponge cake. I don't know if you've ever had a sponge cake. Yeah, you want to taste it? Yeah, well, kind of. Why don't you come up here so people can see you? You like it? It's like thick in my throat. Now it's sticking your throat too?
It's good, Mom.
Okay. So this third one might be the charm. I'm gonna take it all the way out so that you guys can see it. Let me get a plate.
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so this last one might be a successful cupcake.
But how about the other one? How about the other ones?
We will get those in just a minute. I think some fun things could maybe be done with this. I'm gonna taste it. You want to taste it, Rain?
Sure.
It's hot, so you're gonna have to let it cool down.
Mommy, can I eat the other one?
This one?
It's gonna be good. Oh.
You want some?
Hi.
No, it's not. That's not hot.
It's actually good now.
So it's not the same. I don't know. It's not the same consistency as a cupcake, but it's not the same. I guess it is actually the same. It's just a little spongy. I mean, the only thing about this is like, how do you add the icing?
Daddy.
So I think the recipe is fill up the mug about a little more than halfway full, like this much more than halfway full.
Yeah.
3/4. Fill up the mug about 3/4 full, and then put it in the microwave for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Yes.
Daddy. Mommy.
You could eat some of this one. Oh, you think it's good?
No.
All right. So that experiment was fun. Let's figure out what happened with our real cupcakes.
Mommy,
Yes.
this cupcake is actually burned.
No, it's not.
I
This
like
one is.